Yeah, hi Santosh. Very good evening.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Santosh. Very good evening, and thank you very much for Santosh
Thank you,
came
sir, for
forward for
supporting me.
voluntarily. Yeah, yeah,
Thank you, sir, for support.
we are here to support you, people like you, and also helping other side to the students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The good belief about APSSD is once again proved, sir.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think
Now,
Haripriya. Yeah, please go ahead.
now we are in live, sir. I'll start
Yeah,
the session.
please.
Hello everyone. A very good evening to one and all. Welcome to the program, which is Introduction to Blender. So, I hope, I think ever never happened this type of training in before. Why? Because yes, nobody will teach like in animation tools. Generally, the real trainings or free of cost trainings will not happen in anywhere, not only in Andhra or anywhere. So, first of all, thank you, Santosh, for coming forward and giving to all the students in Andhra Pradesh. Now, I would like to introduce Dr. Ravi K. Gujula. He is Chief General Manager of APSSDC. He has like almost 20 plus years experience in IT industry as well as in like principal, like he has like various experiences on different fields, and now presently he is chief general manager in APSSDC. So first of all, thank you, sir, for supporting me to do this program to all the students. And yes, sir, please introduce to the students that how this 10 days training will help to them, and also how it will be benefited to the students. Yes, sir, please.
Yeah, very good evening, one and all. Thank you very much, Haripriya, for giving introduction about APSSDC and me. And first of all, let me thanks to today guest speaker, Mr. Santosh. Thank you very much, Santosh, for came forward to conduct this workshop. Introduction to Blender 3D software tool for our state, Andhra Pradesh state students. So on behalf of the APSSDC, just would like to brief you about the main objective and motto, the vision and mission of Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation. So we are basically to train our students on the market demanded courses. So since last pandemic time, we introduced so many courses, technical courses, and also life skills and communication skills, and also some other uh, courses in the form of a gamification, which are helpful for the students. So Santosh, we are training initiated for degree students. We are initiated technical skills for engineering students, and also we are initiated for polytechnic and also for ITA. Apart from that, we are also giving skill sets to unemployed youth who are seriously searching for a job. So where we are importing technical skills and make them ready for to crack any interview. So, as per the under the young dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu and our Honorable Chairman Madhusudan Reddy Garu instructed us to take the courses, multidisciplinary courses, to the AP students, so that we'll make our students to grab the opportunities in various interdisciplinary domains. So today. Haripriya designed a program in consultation with Mr. Santosh. Mr. Santosh is having experience with IT industry. His expertise in 3D modeler and VFX artist, and is having more than 3+ years of experience in 3D modeling. So, dear students, this is a great opportunity for you. Those who are boring with the regular courses and the coding, and I think this is a good, interesting program for not only for engineering students, even for other students like even the BSc and even for those who are interested in intermediate student also. So really, this is a great opportunity. This 3D modeling, as far as my knowledge is concerned, this must be very much helpful for students who wants to shift their career into a gamification, development of a game, and also those who want to go for cine field, where in animation to create animation type of applications. This must be much helpful. I think Mr. Santosh came up with uh, 8 days workshop, 9 days workshop, 9 days workshop with a with a lecture content of starting from introduction to Blender software and the uniqueness to other softwares, and then how to download it, and then how to work on layouts and modeling, and layout modeling, and also add an tool Blenders, and the working on 3D model. So basically, I think I designed for 8 days wonderful, 10 days wonderful program, which is already shared to you. My sincere request from on behalf of APSSDC: don't take it light for time pass attending this course. So seriously, you interact with the speaker and try to gain the knowledge on this 3D blended software. This must be much helpful for you to create your own applications, to create your own 3D modeling in your respective subject. Let's, for example, the civil engineering students, he may want to explore something which is respective to the civil engineering application development point of view, and similarly for electrical and electronics and computer science students, and also for degree students. So this is a very good program. I really appreciate Santosh to came forward voluntarily to teach to our AP students. So here I would like to tell you one point, Santosh. Like you, we have so many volunteer speakers earlier. Uh, I think Harika know better how she brought all these speakers on board to benefit to our AP students. So once again, thank you very much, Santosh, and also my young dynamic students. I hope all you are in a safe, be safe, wear mask, and also you need to guide your family members and loved ones, and also you need to guide and create awareness among your neighbors and your street people, those who are not following the COVID instructions, and unnecessarily they are going into a trouble. So I think with this pandemic time, you are sitting ideal. At the same time, it's a great opportunity for you to to gain the knowledge and to explore yourself. I once again thank you very much for dear students attending for this course, and also reminding you the outside the situation is very bad. We are having a lot of problems in getting once hospitalized, getting oxygen is a problem, then other so many things. So you please create awareness among yourself, in your family and your neighbors, so that entire our nation will be in safe hands, and we will be in a position to fight with this COVID situation, and ultimately we are going to win this. Yeah, thank you very much, Santosh. You please proceed. Our students are very much proactive and young dynamic students. They can catch up the concepts easily, and also they are very much interested to interact with you and to raise questions, to post questions, and they are eagerly waiting for your answers also in coming sessions. Thank you very much, Haripriya. Please, floor is open to you, and introduce
Yes,
today's speaker. Thank you.
yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, once again for like busy schedule we have. But anyway, you attended for this program. Like, thank you so much, sir. Now, yes, it's time to introduce the speaker of this program. Before starting this, so I would like to say something about this software. So many members, I hope, not heard about Blender in before. So I think you guys heard about Unity tool, which is used to develop the games. So, but how the characters, everything we are seeing in the Unity, we are using the Blender actually in that. Suppose if you want to design a game which is in 3D, so we'll use the not only Blender, Photoshop. They are having like 3D Max and Maya. Many tools are available, but Blender is it's like open source, and it is like not easy. We need to learn to design the characters, to design the models, but definitely it will help you guys as a, if you want to become an animation animator or artist, modeler, mainly in 3D, related to 3D. Everyone can design 2D. It is not possible to design 3D. We need to learn something. So this software really helps you. And Santosh has like, he designed many designs, many, he has many designs like what he's designed in 3D mainly, you can see. And he designed for startups mainly, like for animations, and he did many things, guys. Definitely it will help you. And coming to Santosh, first of all, he is like having 3 years of experience in animation. And uh, yes, Santosh, please start the session and help all the faculties, all the students, sorry, all the students, and some of the faculties also joined here. So please help them and to design the 3D softwares. Yes, Santosh, please start the session.
Okay, madam. Thanks, sir, and thanks, madam, for giving me this opportunity. So, guys, everyone, are you audible? Are you audible with my voice?
Yes,
Hello?
Santosh, you are audible.
Okay, madam. Let me share my screen. Before sharing my screen, I would like to tell something about Blender software. Blender is an open source software under
Santosh, your
GUI.
voice was very low, Santosh.
Okay, madam.
I think
Hello?
remove that earphones or whatever it may be.
Hello?
Yeah, it's clear now.
Okay, madam. Madam, okay. May I continue in this pitch, madam? Hello? Okay, hello? Okay, okay. Okay, guys, let me start this session. Okay, okay, it's slow. Okay, for some people there is some issue depending on the network. Okay, let me start my session. So, let me share my screen just for a second. Okay, okay, entire screen. Okay, okay. There's something issue here. So, guys, hello. So, okay, okay. So I started sharing my screen. Okay, okay. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Hello. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So, are you able to see these icons, guys? Okay. There are n number of softwares related to VFX and 3D modeling. So first comes here Blender. Our main important theme of this workshop is Blender. So here you are able to screen two icons. One is a Blender 2.83 here. So at my cursor means mouse pointer. So this is a 2.83 version LTS, a long-term support version. This is called as. So this is a Blender. Blender means recent version 2.92. 2.92 is not an LTS version. So means you don't have that kind of support. So guys, are you able to hear my voice? Hello? Hello? Okay. 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 Low voice. Okay. Because again, some people are telling voice is low. Okay. So whatever I said before, do you able to hear it? Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. So guys, again, looking here, you are able to see these icons, right? Adobe After Effects, Photoshop, uh, ZBrush, Houdini, Blender 2.83, Nuke, Unreal Engine, Maya 2020, and again this Blender. So here I have on my desktop two types of Blender. One is Blender 2.83 version. It is LTS 2.83 LTS. Why we call this as LTS means LTS full form is long term support. So long term support means Blender has an organization of many creators. So creators together, it is an open as it is an open source software. Depending upon the donations, etc., they develop the software. They start developing the software. So like Unity, many of you are knowing about a Unity 3D software. So it too has a 2019.4 LTS, 2020 LTS, something versions like that. So Blender 2 has LTS version. So 2.83 is a LTS version in 2.8 version of Blender. So for present 2.92 is running latest. So guys, okay, is it clear up to now? Okay. So okay guys. Okay. 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 Then so you can see here many softwares. For example, let me introduce each and every software. So after seeing this software, so you may be somewhat excited to know what a software is used for on my desktop. So previously I used it to have half of the desktop with icons only, filled with icons. So n number of means production oriented softwares which are used in Hollywood. So Hollywood films, you might be observing a n number of softwares. So mainly Disney and Marvel use the software Disney uses Houdini software for water effects. So like oceans, those are created using Houdini software. So this is the Houdini software. So see the cursor pointing towards my mouse cursor. So in Thanos, you might be very familiar with the character Thanos, right? So the Thanos is made under ZBrush, this software, ZBrush software. So I am using 2020 software, not 2021. So next, coming to Photoshop. This is 2019 Photoshop. This is 2020 Photoshop. So every year there will be somewhat um, difference between new features will be adding in the Photoshop. So this is 2020. I have 2021 to install yesterday. So okay, not everyone will be familiar with Photoshop, mainly editing people. So I know I'm not going much deeper with it. So Adobe After Effects. So generally effects. So Adobe After Effects is different from Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have Adobe Premiere Pro here. Adobe Premiere Pro is used for video editing purpose. Editing means you might be knowing that adding clips and making some sequence here and making some meaningful video content. So but Adobe After Effects is much more than that. Adobe After Effects is used it for making somewhat new effects like HUD effects. HUD effects means you may be knowing Iron Man effects. So what?
Santosh,
Madam.
your voice was very low, Santosh. Everyone was messaging in chat box that your voice was very low, Ani.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. I will check it once again.
Just increase that sound button actually.
Yes, madam. I tried for that.
Share the screen and start again. That actually I am not able to hear. Share the screen, Santosh, once again, and repeat again what you have said up to now. Actually, I'm disconnected up to now. I'm not in online, so that's why I'm not able to set. And many members was asking about WhatsApp group link. Santosh, are you there?
Yes, madam. Hello.
Yeah. Now also we are not able to hear you.
Okay, madam. Now it's clear.
Again, speak out.
Hello.
Yeah. Now it is clear.
Okay, madam. So, okay, you have. I think you have shared the WhatsApp group link right now, madam.
Yeah.
Previously,
And
you have.
speak loudly, Santosh. Why? Because almost 682 members was joined. Almost 700 to 800 members joined. So please make louder. And we didn't kept YouTube live, so everyone was joined here. So please.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Okay, Santosh.
So, is it clear right now, guys?
Not bad before that.
Okay, madam. Okay, man. I will change the mic which I am using.
Just remove that mic and speak normally. Why you are keeping earphones? Just remove and share the screen and start. Yeah, many members was asking about WhatsApp group link which was shared.
So guys, is it comfortable now?
Yeah. Is it clear? Clear. Now it was clear.
Okay, madam. I will share the screen. Huh?
Very clear. Your voice was now.
Okay, madam. So guys, so sorry for the inconvenience you got previously. So what I have repeated that 2 times. Okay, let me repeat it once again for the last time. So on my screen you are able to see some icons which are related to multimedia domain or something like a cinema movie oriented production softwares. So these play a vital role in the production production unit of the softwares, means cinema, videos, etc. So for mainly what we say, Hollywood uses Houdini. Hollywood means coming Disney, Marvel, etc. use Houdini software for what we say simulations. So simulation, Houdini produces a good range of simulation, like what we say big oceans, like Captain Jack Sparrow, what we say Pirates of the Caribbean. So in that totally max to max we use Houdini software. And coming to Marvel, the famous character at present is Thanos, right? So the Thanos is created in ZBrush. So you're able to see with my cursor, right? So okay, Thanos is created in this ZBrush software. And coming to Adobe After Effects. So Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro both are visible on my screen. So you might be having a question like that. What is the difference between these two? Both are used for video editing softwares, right? But the difference between these two is Adobe Premiere Pro is just a kind of editing software, but something more than a video editing software from the other kind of video editing softwares. For example, Wondershare Filmora is there on my desktop. So this Wondershare Filmora is just a basic kind of video editing, but Adobe Premiere Pro is much more advanced than Wondershare Filmora. But why Wondershare Filmora is, it's easy to use, but these both Adobe softwares are somewhat tough to use, but they produce a good quality with less file size. So these are that much great. But Adobe After Effects is more than Adobe Premiere Pro or any other software, because Adobe After Effects is used to create some effects like HUD. You might be familiar with Iron Man, etc. Na? So Iron Man effects, etc. are created in Adobe After Effects. So you can make any kind of effects with just a basic basic templates which are given in the Adobe After Effects. You might download extra with some plugins. We have plugins like VC, ORB, etc. So not going much depth about that because our workshop is about Blender. Na? So next, I want to tell about two more softwares. What Nuke? Nuke is advanced level from Adobe After Effects because Nuke is created just so okay. I don't know exact date, but so it's much more advanced level than Adobe After Effects because whole Marvel uses Nuke 3D like Thor effects. Thor full effects are created in Nuke only. So Nuke is a video compositing. We don't call it as video editing. It's new video compositing software. Okay, let me finish. So Dash is like nothing but for games like what we say for Free Fire, etc. They use Dash 3D for the animation creation and rigging. So basic like what you say, clapping, running, etc. By default, we can make in a Dash Studio. So Scientific Studio is a 2D software, open source. It's to an open source software. So generally, many competitions like FOSSEE is a IIT Bombay. So what we say that IIT Bombay program. So what they make is they conduct contests on open source softwares like Blender, Cintiq Studio, GIMP. GIMP means general image manipulation program. So that's GIMP and Inkscape. Okay, so not much about that. So okay, let's go to Blender. So Blender, you are able to see two icons of Blender on my desktop, right? So one is Blender 2.83, which is LTS. LTS means long-term support. So Blender has an organization of many creators and many software developers, which who are or what we say, so voluntarily working for Blender software. So long term support means for Unity, you may be familiar with Unity software, right? Unity 3D software 2019.4 LTS, 2020 LTS, you may be hearing about that when you are downloading. So from for that versions, the company is or the organization is giving long term supports like fixing the bugs, providing some updates, etc. So your phone, when you stop using when the company stop sending the updates, it starts working with bugs, and bugs will grow. So at one certain time your device will stop working. So similarly for any software, LTS should be there for a good working condition of the software, else all your hard work will be lost. So I am using Blender 2.83 for as it has a long term support, and about to get the 2.93 LTS in I think coming June or July. There may be release of 2.93 LTS version. So this icon is 2.92 at present. We are using 2.92 version now. So that's at present. That's about the softwares. And one software I want to tell about is Maya software, Autodesk Maya. You may be some civil and mechanical students might be familiar with the software name Autodesk, AutoCAD, etc. So Maya is a kind of what we say, child of Autodesk organization. So it's a software designed by Autodesk. Yearly max to max, the software means what we say, the software income of Maya will be higher percentage for a Autodesk company, because Maya software pricing will be like $1,000 to $1,500, like that. $1,000 to $1,500. It changes from time to time depending on the features they add. But max to max, on an average, it will be like $1,400 and $1,200, like that. I forgot the exact pricing. So Maya version, Maya means all the 3D animation. For Maya is generally for animation and the creation of tools. So simply you can it's like a basic type. Blender is somewhat tougher than Maya. So generally artists say that Maya is tougher than Blender, but the thing is, Maya is so costly. So if we convert into Indian price, it will be nearly 1 lakh rupees to buy a Maya for a year. So, but before as Maya used to give for a student person like 3 years. So if you register for a Maya, there will be something portal for Maya. So if you register in that according to your college ID card and roll numbers, they will give some specifications. So if you register for that, you will be getting 3 years of license free of cost. They will give free of cost for Maya. So you can use it as you like. So for 3 years it will be nice. So it's a nice, and many of the people started using from that then to up till 2020 lockdown, I think. At the time of May 2020 lockdown, Autodesk changed its policy, like only 1 year for student, that to document verification they kept newly, because before the lockdown I have registered, so using a student software only, just you can use like that. Even you can too use like that. But I got 3 year license at that time. Again, when I tried to register after May, June, I think June, I tried to register at the June 2020. They changed the terms and policy and again asked for the document verification. So it I tried for the document verification with the stamp ID, etc. But it's somewhat difficult. So I left it as it is. So I have Blender anyway and Maya 2020 previous 3 year license. So I stopped that at that time. So let's going into a Blender. So first I wanted to tell about the Blender installation. So let's go and start. So somewhat slow today. This is uh, so I searched for 2.93 latest version, but it's not up to now. So starting blender.org, you are able to see, right? Blender.org. So go to that blender.org. So you are able to see that 2.92 is the present latest version. So it's if you are using Windows, it's 169. Mac OS, other supports will be there. So here you are able to see that looking for long-term support, Blender 2.83 LTS. So I've said previously about 2.83 LTS, right? So they keep every time when a new kind of Blender version is released, a new kind of document they keep, means a rendered piece. So this is the present rendered piece they've shown. So I will show you the previous versions. See here, previous versions. So okay. Now features. Mhm. Okay, just a second, guys. So if you want to download, go and download here. So I will share this link in the group chat. So once have a look. So see, guys, if you want to download, download. So someone is asking that what is the requirement for it. So minimum configuration, any minimum configuration. So for 4 GB i3 configurations, even it works. But try. So I will be telling you about that. So means you should render it in Eve mode. So cycles means your laptop will even burn like anything. So EU takes a lot of time, but the rendering quality will be high. So we will be talking about it. So yes, you need a graphic card. So some Intel processors have inbuilt graphic cards, so you need not worry about that. So okay, someone is asking, can you suggest the best laptop should? So for a huge softwares, you need to run. You need to have at least 16 to 32 GB RAM and 4 to 8 GB of a graphic card, and the processor should be not i5, it should be either i7 or i9. So for as you asked for huge software, so okay, which one have to download? So 2.92 is the present version. When you get 2.93 and install it, automatically you will be redirected to 2.93 portal, deleting the 2.92 version. So if you go to 2.83 version, okay, it's better, but you don't have some features in 2.83. 2.92 has some features, so better to you download 2.92, as many people have downloaded 2.92 version. I think many of you downloaded 2.92 version. Okay, should be no. You use a .msf file. So Microsoft installer. If you are using Windows OS, so also you can choose Mac OS installer, etc. So i3 10th generation. Okay, so okay, it's okay to use for small applications. Okay. Okay, better. Ryzen processors do good work. AMD is AMD processors are good clock cycles. Okay, can use any of them. So okay, just download it and keep it until other students got downloaded it and install it. Okay, I'll share this in a group also. So after this session, I'll share the same in the group too.
I already shared, Santosh. No need to worry about
Okay,
that.
okay, madam. Okay, madam. So i5 is a good processor, but i5 7th generation, 8th generation is better. 7th generation too, you can manage. i5 10th, okay. So those are okay. So you see once the requirements here. You can see the requirements here. So let me show you. System. Okay, it will be here for the requirements. Here you can see requirements. Once press it, so it runs as it is a open source software. You can run anywhere. So open source softwares don't need much PC configurations, but if you want to do something miracles with that software, so you need to have a good kind of what we say specifications for the device. So here you can see hardware requirements. Minimum 64 is the present for the present versions. You need a 64 bit process. So previously for 2.8 and 2.7 versions, you can have 32 bit processor too. So okay, see once here you can see that 4 GB. So these all can, but don't forget to have a 3 button mouse. So 3 button mouse means like a general mouse, but some people will be using a touchpad like that now, so it won't work if you have with a touchpad. So or you can have a pen tablet, so some Wacom X Pen Deco. So I think you don't have that one. So some people will be having idea about that. So, as online classes are happening for many people, you might be knowing about means some faculty will be using that pen tablet. So let me show you that one once you might be getting clarity about that. So this is what we say tablet, drawing tablet. So there might be somewhat higher versions to like those who are working with 2D animation. They preferably use this kind of pen tablets. So depending on the stress levels, etc., the accuracy, the rate will be more. So have you seen these requirements now? So if you want much more about that, you can go check. Okay, I am keeping the link of this too. Okay, you can have this. So okay, i5 10th generation 2 GB NVIDIA is too okay for you. Okay, even copy WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, i5 10 GB, 8 GB RAM, Radeon graphics. Okay, Radeon graphics. Other than Radeon graphics, you can preferably have Intel. So if it's a laptop, you can use anything. You can satisfy the requirements. So if it's a what we say PC, if you want to make your career as a 3D modeler and artist, you can change that to NVIDIA graphics, at least 1650 or like that. 2080 is a 2080 is a big graphic card. What we say requirement. So if you want to make something more like a rendering, every time rendering, etc., and you wanted it in less time, you can have that. Uh, so you install 2.92 for present. So when the 2.93 is released, we can use 2.93. So 2.8 version is better, but 2.92 version have many n number of features at present. At present, 2.92 version has a geometric node feature. So we can take many classes on a geometric node, but this is a basic session. So first, let me introduce the software to you, and then you can make any miracle with that software. So today, someone is asking, so data is going start class. So today, I want to just tell about the software to you, software about its uses, etc. So tomorrow onwards, once everyone is okay. Once everyone is installed that software, okay, we can make everything. So let everybody join at a time together. Come to point. To point. Come to point. Okay. 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 Many are you facing the internet issues? We get so no, no. You won't be taught about Photoshop afterwards, so we can talk with the you can talk with the APSS DC for so requesting that to have a session of Photoshop. But Haripriya madam has a good knowledge about Photoshop. So After Effects I have. So I'll show some of my works. You can see here. So okay, Blender works I will show you. So are you able to see now? Okay. So it takes much time to load because I have nearly 100 GB of files related to Blender. So sometimes I make the file too much heavy that my PC even stuck with high configurations. So you can have this once have a look with this. So are you able to see this?
Yes, Santosh.
Okay, madam. So okay, this kind of at the basic time I use it to make this model at the initial stage of my learning the software. So I think 2 years back, I think. So the size of this folder is okay. First, the size of this file is 2.67 MB. So this the ship is big. Okay, another is so you can make a video editing in the Blender software too. So it's somewhat like so let me show you. So something I made this in a U cycles, so it's not much greater, but it's okay.
Santosh, unmute yourself, Santosh.
Okay, madam. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. So once see this, I made it something like bigger. Once see this. So okay, guys, I made it somewhat in a big way. So it took 2 days for me to render this video. It's hardly for 4 seconds of video, but it took okay 8 seconds. It is 19.2 MB, but it took me nearly 1.5 day, 1.5 day, not 2 days. Okay, because I am using 2 GB graphic card laptop. So if I upgraded to and something like PC with 4 GB graphic card, etc., so it would make my work much more easier. But because of this, it took me much more time. Okay, let me show you any another. Okay, it's taking much more time. So one of a good thing I made is, so let me show you. So this is a kind of environment for games and sceneries. Yeah. So okay. So okay, this is not okay. You are able to see this now. So this is okay, not this, not this. So this is a realistic. I think I made this in cycles, Blender cycles. So cycles is a long time rendering, but it makes a realistic rendering features in the image. So even cycles differ from one another in rendering aspect. So let me discuss in the rendering session. I think it's day 6 or day 7. I think. Okay, last day I think. So let me show you some of my works. I made works in many ways, means related to all sectors of the blender. I made the my assembly. So this is you are able to see now here one character gladiator. So you can have this 3D model available in I think the website name is Cascadier, I think. Cascadier or something. You can have this 3D model available at that site. Okay, next. Okay, my friend requested for his name. So my friend requested that, so I made this kind of elevation for him. So okay, next. So you can have this kind of environment. See, I think it is somewhat uh, what we say foggy like environment. Huh? Okay, so you might not be much clear with that, but this is a kind of realistic rocks. Rocks are much more realistic. So each one size is nearly 50 MB like that. Okay, so even I made this kind of idlis, etc. Okay, how is this idli, idli, etc. for a restaurant? I tried to made this. Means a kind of startup app. They tried to make a startup app with a restaurant menu with the augmented reality. So I made this kind of 3D model for them. So okay, okay, okay. Next, I show. So Mars environment somewhat. So like Mars environment on a less image. Okay, next. So far. So it's just for fun I made. So this kind of even you can make this kind of objects, 3D model objects. Okay, just for fun I made this. Not, don't take it serious. It's not looking even like a what we say. Okay, wait, it's gone. So just for fun I made this. Don't take serious. If you are a fan of a lion. The city of New York, something city, not New York. Okay, if New York means it is not even close to the city. So see this environments, rocky, hilly environments. See, this is much more realistic than the previous one. So see how realistic is this. So one guy asked for his 3D, what we say, 3D short film, but he didn't make that. So you may be familiar with the movie called World War. So the World Warcraft, sorry. So the in that movie they used this 3D model. Sarfang, his name is according to the uh, data. So like any other softwares. In the, so okay. So another I have spaceship of the city, spaceship attacking a city. Okay. So I think this is enough about the software works. You can make much more different works with this software. So I have some other works too, but they are in the files. So it takes a lot of time. So let me clear your doubts in the chat box which you kept. Okay.
It's all about today is like installation and yeah, how to first of all, guys, everyone install the software. Tomorrow he will explain how the interface of the software, right, Santosh?
Yes, madam.
Yes. So everyone, please install, and he shown some of the models. It was very nice. I hope everyone was going to design such type of models in future, right? So he will teach you. So just follow his introduction, and yeah, but Santosh, your voice and everything was clear after connecting second time. Now the screen also clear, but many members was messaging that it's not clear like that. But your voice was clear because the student's internet connection may be bad. Guys, tomorrow, please, like check your internet connection. Airmeet consumes more internet connection. Tomorrow I'll try to make YouTube live also. Actually, I'll upload this recording session into YouTube. No need to worry about that. So anything, anyway, that's all about the session, right? Anything you want to say, Santosh?
Means all your nothing, madam, nothing more about but try to install the software as soon as possible by tomorrow's session,
Yeah,
so that
and
everything
one
I
more
can.
thing. Yeah, today I'll share the feedback link of this session. So, how you felt about the feedback? Just give the feedback. We'll rectify any problems or anything. So, just give that. And many members have been asking that how we can get the recording session. So, I'll keep in YouTube. Like I'll share the YouTube link in WhatsApp groups and through your mails if you registered. So, I have all the data. Almost 2008. 3,500 students were registered for this program. So no need to worry. So tomorrow I'll share at the end of the day. Today I'll share everything like YouTube video and feedback. Just don't forget to give the feedback and attendance taken by the feedback. So that's all about this session and try to install Blender software. So just go to blender.org and just install which version? 2.
2.92, madam, at present it's running. It's
Yeah,
having
just
more features.
install 2.92 version. It's very like uh, important the version.
It's
So just
having more features, madam.
yeah. So what he was saying, just install that version and just do that, okay? And yes, just give the feedback of this session. So anything, let me know.
Okay, madam. I want to tell a thing that this session is, guys, interactive session. So you me together combinedly interact and make a 3D model, which is interesting for many of you guys. So first, I will tell you about the software and the session and the departments, or what we say, the departments are generally in MNCs they call it as departments. So in the departments, so about the departments I will tell, and the key shortcut keys, etc. So after that, we can make a 3D model. So depending on the of your choice only, I will make I will try to make a 3D model. So if you tell about high poly 3D model, but if my lab in not supports, I can't do anything. Okay. First, try to explore about this software, learn much about this software, guys. By tomorrow, okay, we can meet tomorrow about this Blender 3D software. So, okay, madam, you can speak. Hello, madam. Hello, Haripriya, madam.
Yeah, that's all about this session. Today, he explained what he has done, the work of his, and many softwares are available to develop 3D models. But okay, so Blender is one of them. So learn that and design such type of models in future. And basically, what is the use of learning this, ma'am? Many members will have a doubt that which is like non-technical. Of course, you can design your own models, and you can design this such type of 3D videos and 3D creations and 3D models. It's like you can do freelancing works to the many companies, and you can do a lot of things, guys. No need to worry about this software and learning thing. First of all, just install it and learn into your who is not interested to work in programming side. This is the best. So do that and install that and use that. If you have any questions, so let me know that regarding this, and don't forget to give the feedback of the session. So what you have felt this about this session, overall the thing. So based on your feedback, we'll come with a more interesting sessions which have never done this type of things. And anything, just ask us. Definitely will reply to your questions, and any doubts or anything, just ask us. And install, I would strongly recommend to install 2.9, right? So do that and install, and tomorrow be ready with that, and we'll start working on tomorrow to create a small models. And yes, that's all. So we'll meet as soon as possible. Okay. So anything, Santosh?
Nothing, madam.
So that's all. So yes, guys, don't have laptop, just and try to buy, because you need to, guys, do that. And many members was taking telling that the group, the feedback link was not opening. Yes, it was opening. Almost 100 members was given the feedback. Just try to open and do that.
So, anybody wanted to ask me any kind of questions, guys?
Yeah. So tomorrow do here, and guys, one thing, I try to make YouTube live also, then you can join there. Yes, it will not open in mobile. The Airmeet will not work in mobile. Certificates, guys, for this workshop, I'm telling that you not get any certificate until unless you're done. You have created all the models. You submitted the task to the Santosh. He will evaluate. Then only we'll get. Almost 3,800 students registered, and eight like almost 1,000 plus students were attended for this session. And in 1,000 plus students, I think only 2 to 300 students will get certificate if you did all the uh, what I can say, that all the models. That's it. So that's it. Yes, you can create 3D videos and 3D models. Yes, you are going to have assignments and tasks. So that's it. I'll not prolong. I don't want to prolong this because already we are late. 30 minutes. Of course, we started at late for this session. But anyway, so we'll meet tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Be ready at 6 o'clock. That's all. Santosh, anything you want to say?
So, some people are asking doubts, madam. Blender versus Maya. One guy asked. So okay, Blender is an open source software, whereas Maya is so paid. You need to pay nearly 1.5 lakh, etc. If you are using it for a commercial use, or it offers 1 year if you are a student. So Blender versus Maya means Blender have many advantages, as it's open source. You can use it as you like, but Maya requires a high end what we say high-end PC configurations or laptop configurations. You can't run it any system. So Blender you can use in any kind of system, and uh, depending on the requirements, it takes time. But Maya, if you use on a low end PC or laptop, your PC will get damaged, and even the OS can be rewritten. So I don't prefer Maya if you wanted to learn as a what we say beginner, and you have a low end PC. Okay, next. Okay, new people can join using the link. Okay, anything? Okay.
If the WhatsApp group is full, I'll create another WhatsApp group, which is I'll going to share to your mail IDs. No need to worry about that. So if you joined in any one and two, no need to worry, guys. You are safe. So no need to worry. Everything will share the information. No need to worry. So yes, thank you, Santosh, for joining. Thank you, Ravi sir,
Thank you,
for
madam.
giving to conduct this session. Thank you once again, everyone, for joining
Thank
this
you, madam.
session. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet tomorrow.
Welcome. So, guys, whose questions today are not answered, you can even today ask tomorrow, as the time is ruined up. So, guys, bye. Have a nice.
Okay, I'm going to end this session. That's all, Santosh, right? That's all.
Yes,
Can I
madam.
end the
Yes, madam.
session?
Yes,
Yeah.
madam.
So yes, everyone, bye. So I'll share the feedback link. If you really attended, just give the feedback. And yes, thank you so much once again. So bye bye.